Traveler's Choice Pagosa Indestructible Hardshell Expandable Spinner Luggage In-Depth Reviews. This product has 4.6 stars based on 852 ratings and 84 reviews. 90% of customers have overall ratings of 4 or 5 stars, while ratings of 1 or 2 stars accounting for 6% of all reviewers. Let's look at a recent positive review. It said, "Favorite luggage by far. I love all the little compartments that it has available that are zippered and hold everything in place. It's a sturdy set, and the fact that it has the double wheels makes it even better because there's no way it gets stuck when you're pushing it. It goes right where you want it to go." Is there anything the product needs to be improved on? Let's take a look at a critical review. The side was crushed on my first use, so much for Indestructible. The bag does not hold as much as my other 22-inch, but I do like the setup of the bag. I went on one trip and now my bag looks like this. My very first trip. It isn't very indestructible. That's it.
Wherever you go, your luggage does too. Traveler's Choice bags are designed for comfort while you're on the road, with features like ergonomic T-handles and convenient USB ports for carry-on gear to charge devices while you're on the move. Available with wide, tough YKK zippers, smooth rolling Hinomoto spinner wheels for easy pushing, and a durable polycarbonate shell to protect what's inside. Simple, long-lasting, comfortable luggage. That's always the traveler's choice.
Okay, so I always find videos very helpful, so maybe this will be helpful for somebody. This is what it looks like. It's a little bit bigger than I thought it would be. It is kind of a bubblegum pink. This is it. This is the pink next to what I would call a blush for color. This is a really neutral blush. But I do love all the pockets. Lots of pockets for organization. And even these guys to strap things down. But no wasted space because these are pockets. More organization. Not removable, but I knew that and I liked them. I might keep it actually. I'll probably give it a measure, see how accurate the measurements are, but looks pretty good to me. So hopefully that's helpful for somebody. But